Okay, so here are the answers to the homework last night. You can pause it. I'm going to move on. Okay, more multiplication properties. We're going to do power of a power and product to a power. You might want to look at this. This is just a proof of how this is going to work. We're going to go through this on the next slide anyway. All right, raising a power to a power, we're multiplying the exponents. So we have a power inside and a power outside. We multiply them and that simplifies. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 halves times 3 is 9 over 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 half and 3/5, 3/10. Okay, so we see p to the power of 20, 5 times 4. P to the 1/8, 1 half times 1/4. Okay, once you do those two, they're not that complicated. Okay, now we want to clear up this part first. So you always do the power of a power first. Don't combine and then power of a power. Do the power of a power first. Okay, so we have x squared times x to the negative 24th. So we get x to the negative 22. Okay, so make sure you do the multiplication part first. So we're going to leave this one alone. We're going to take care of this. 5/3 times 3 is 5. So add those together, w to the power of 3. You can work on that one. Raising a product to a power. This is basically the distributive property using exponents. So we're going to distribute the n to the a and the b. A to the power of n, b to the power of n. Okay, so 3 to the power of 4, x to the power of 4, 4 to the 3 halves, b to the 3 halves. Okay, so we're going to write this one out, 7 to the power of 3 and m to the power of 27. And then we would figure out what 7 to the power of 3 is. Okay, so we would write that one down and then m to the 27th. Okay, this one, 2 to the negative 4 and z to the negative 4. Okay, so that means I'm going to take both of them and put them underneath. To the power of 4 times z to the power of 4. So I get 1 over 16z to the 4th. Okay. Guess what? You get to do that one. Okay. Putting it in simplest form, making sure that we get rid of all negative exponents, that we get rid of any fractions, or we could leave them as fractions. But remember to always take care of the outside exponent first and then combine things. Okay, so I'm going to multiply these two. I get x to the negative 4, 3 to the power of 4, x to the power of 4, and y to the power of 20. Okay, so 3 to the power of 4 is 81. I have x to the negative 4 and x to the positive 4. So therefore that's going to be 1, x to the power of 0. They cancel out. Okay, so now I have y to the power of 20. And that is the final answer. Okay, and I'll let you go ahead with that one. And that is section 3. Okay, so once again, multiplication properties of exponents. We're trying to remember each one. Same bases, add the exponents, multiple exponents, multiply them, and if there's an exponent on the outside and several things inside the parentheses, we do it one step at a time.